In this video, I will show you how to create a landing page in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on canva.com. Now, to go ahead and create a landing page, the best way to do this is if you come up to the search box up here and type landing page into the search box. Then what you want to do is go ahead and press enter on your keyboard, and what it's going to do is bring up a ton of different templates that you can use to create your landing page. So what you want to do is choose one that basically fits your theme and what you're using the landing page for. So say for example you was creating a landing page for a product in the health and beauty niche. What we can do is select this one for example, which is a skincare one, and you just want to click onto this to open up a preview window. Now this gives you a clearer view, and if you want to go ahead and customize this one, you can go ahead and press the purple customize this template button here. So this is going to take you across to the customization screen, and there's a ton of different things you can do from here. So for example, we can change the images. You can see we've got some images here of like beauty products and health bottles and things like that. So we can delete that and add our own images. So we can upload our own by coming to the upload section on the toolbar on the left hand side. Or alternatively, you can come to the Elements tab and you can search for different pictures and images that are part of Canva. So for example, I could put something like beauty bottle, and you'll see we're going to get different graphics, photos, videos, and a ton of other things that we can use. If we want to add any of these to our design, all we need to do is simply click onto the image. So let's take this one here, for example, just click onto it and it's going to add it to the image. Then what you can do is go ahead and resize this to your liking. You can also change the font and the text on here. So for example, if we wanted to change this text, say I wanted to change the font, when you actually click onto this, you're going to get a toolbar at the top and you can see the font option here. So if you click onto this, you can see a ton of different fonts. You can also upload your own fonts by using the brand kit just here. Just to note, this is only available in Canva Pro, as you can tell by the Pro icon here. However, if you don't have Canva Pro, there's still a lot of different fonts available for you to use, and to change font all you need to do is click onto it. So this one for example, as you can see straight away, that's going to change the font. So you can also do things like change the color of the text up here, so we can change this to a different color like this for example, and we can also change the size of the text as well, just by using this icon here to adjust the text to make it smaller or bigger. So all you want to do is basically play about. There is a lot of different things you can do, and you can see at the bottom you can add different pages as well. So we can add a new page and create a second page for our landing page. And once you're happy with everything and you're happy with your landing page, all you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the share button up here, and then come down and click onto download. So for the file type, the best file type for a landing page is PNG. As you can see, that is the suggested file type. However, you can click onto this drop down box and choose a different file type if you want to. But personally, I would recommend going for PNG, as this is, as it says here, the best for complex images and illustrations. Then all you need to do is select how many pages you want to download from your landing page and press the purple download button at the bottom. So this is going to go ahead and start downloading our landing page, as you can see just down here. And as you can see, our landing page has now downloaded. So what I can do is click onto its folder and we can preview the landing page just simply by double clicking, and you're going to see the image come up and we can see what this looks like. So that's how to create a landing page in Canva. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.